cousin. Siya yung nag-invite sa akin paano pumasok sa Zonal. Tapos, sabi ko, try ko na lang i-workout kasi ano siya, may regular work kasi ako. Teacher ako doon sa amin. Tapos, hindi ko talaga pinofocus yung magiging salesperson. Pero, later on, doon ko na siya na-realize na being a salesperson, hindi lang pala sarili mo yung natutulungan mo, kundi nakakatulong ka din sa iba.
Gusto ko lumaguan sa marating nila yung mga pangarap nila. Kailangan namin pagtrabahuhan ng team para yung success na yung makamit nila at makamit ko rin.
Gaya nga ng pinapangako sa inyong mga buyer na you are assuring them that you will assist them until they move in. In the same manner, Sonal is committed to your dreams. That with Sonal, we will do our best to help you to make your dreams personal sale. Second, I want you to decide what to focus as an agent. Personal selling, recruitment, or assist. Okay? And then pangatlo, If you want to buy your car, if you want to buy your house, we are here to help you. Pwede namin kayong tulungan.